Good morning. I'm Manisha, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, R.M.D.E Engineering College. I'm handling cryptography and network security. Now I'm going to see Unit 3, Diffie Hellman Key Exchange. So what is the introduction is, the purpose of the algorithm is to enable two users to securely exchange the key that can be used for the subsequent encryption of message. The algorithm itself is limited to the exchange of secret values. The Diffie-Hellman algorithm depends for the effectiveness of the difficulty of computing discrete logarithms. So what are the global elements is Q will be a prime number and alpha will be primitive root of Q. So here you will be having key generation, user A and user B. So it is a very important question. It is easy and it is very simpler to do also. So user A select private key X A, public key Y A mod Q. So if in this case the condition Xa less than Q, Ya equal to alpha to the power Xa. User B select private key Xb, calculate public key Yb mod Q. So here xb less than q, yb equal to alpha to the power xb. So calculation of secret key by user A, k equal to yb to the power xa mod q. Calculation of a secret key by user B, k equal to ya to the power xb mod q. So how the derivation here is k equal to yb to the power xa mod q. So in case of yb, alpha xb mod q will be substituted to the power of xa mod q. When it is splitted alpha xb to the power xa, then mod q will be a common one. And this step is repeated, and alpha x mod q to the power xb, then again mod. So here it comes to k equal to yb to the power xb mod q. So A and B value if it is equating. So this is the derivation. So here Diffie-Hellman key exchange. So user A calculate YA, YB to the corresponding user B. What this KA value, K value and their K value. So here man in the middle attack. So Dart prepares for the attack by generating two random private keys X D1 and X D2 and then computing the corresponding public keys Y D1 and Y D2. Lace transmits YA to Bob. Darth intercepts YA and transmits YD power 1 to Bob. Darth also calculates K2 equal to YA to the power XD2 mod Q. Here this one. This is man in the middle attack. The next is Bob receives YD power 1 and calculates K1 equal to YD1 to the power XB mod Q. Bob transmits YB to Alice. Darth intercepts YB and transmits YD2 to Alice. Darth also calculates K1 equal to YB to the power XD1 mod Q. Alice receives YD2 and calculates K2 equal to YD2 to the power XA mod Q. So what is the problem one is? Prime number P is given, primitive root is given, uses A private key. So what is fine? A is public key, B is public key, shared secret key. This is problem one. Okay. So with this, we'll be covering Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. Thank you.